Light Pole Systems Pole Repair Kit repairs a rusted pole without replacing it. The kit is easily installed in less than 30 minutes without disconnecting any wires and does not require a crane or welder. Once the pole repair kit is installed, the damaged pole is as strong as new and the galvanized base will outlast any standard pole. Additional base plate holes can be used to install new anchor bolts if existing bolts are damaged. The pole repair kit includes all the hardware needed for installation. We recommend a base cover be installed to protect and hide the repaired pole base, just like a traditional pole. Our install kit makes the installation process even easier and can be used for multiple installations. Light Pole Systems also offers a pole repair kit for round tapered poles. For more information about repairing and replacing light poles, visit lightpolesystems.com or call 714-786-8983. Light Pole Systems, specializing in light pole solutions.